Hello and welcome to another derivation. Today's function is the wavy tube. Today we will be deriving the product rule. Right, so we begin with the derivatives and then we rearrange the terms and we get this. Then we say the derivative of p of x with respect to x, where p of x is equal to f of x times g of x is equal to p of x plus h minus p of x over h, and that is the limit as h approaches 0. Then we substitute p of x plus h and p of x for f of x plus h times g of x plus h minus f of x times g of x, respectively. Then we substitute that stuff in that blue box right there into that equation. Then we expand the terms in the parentheses, and the 2 on the end cancel out, and the h's cancel out, and we get that. Then the limit, as h approaches 0, is going to be 0 for that first term. And so we get f of x times the derivative of g of x with respect to x plus the derivative of f of x with respect to x times g of x. And there we go. That's it. And here is the product rule that we have derived. Whoops. So that is the end of this video, and thank you for watching.